Nwoke a unu hụrụ n'ebe a na-anya ụgbọ mmiri aka ya bụ onye na-akụ azụ nke anyị hụrụ n'ọnụ mmiri Oguta Lake. This man, we met him at the shore of Oguta Lake fishing. Now he is pedaling his canoe, moving towards where you can find the confluence. Now the confluence is straight down. As you see him riding his canoe, very soon he will go far inside into the lake that you will barely notice it. Now can you see? He's almost vanished into the lake. Now in that direction, when you look at that man, by your left, in that direction, you can see he pedaled straight down. Now by the left, you have to, if you are going on speedboat, you take your left straight and then maybe a little right, then you find the confluence. Remember we said that confluence is where two rivers meet. Now these rivers are River Ohamere, which is a blue lake, and River Orash, which is a brown lake, where the two rivers meet without missing or joining each other. Hope you come around and see for yourself.